Hello everybody, this is Malat from Zeus Ebikes, and on this beautiful day in Canada we're riding with the Vituvia Tiger. This is the updated version, smaller frame. It's got a 750 watt motor in the back, which is a hub geared motor peaking at 1200 watts and putting out 86 Newton meters of torque, a ton of power. So far it has not struggled with my weight, and I'm at least 230 pounds, 6'1". We got the larger battery pack here, which is a removable lithium ion battery. 35 amp hours, 48 volts, and they got the LG cells in this one. Top speed that we have got on it so far is 50 kilometers per hour, and that's with my weight. It's got turn signals, it's got a horn, it's got hydraulic disc brakes, it has NFC for locking the bike so nobody can steal it. The frame is just beautiful, paint job is amazing, performance is just you will be shocked once you see the videos. And yeah, let's have some fun, folks. We're in Waterloo, Ontario, and this one has 2 years of warranty. Let's go that way. Let's see what's up there. I'm not gonna pedal because I hurt my back lifting a bike the other day. I think I moved the disc, so it hurts quite a bit. And that's why I love e-bikes, because there is no way you could get me out here on a regular bike when I'm in this much pain. Wow, the scenery is just amazing. Oh, this is some rough ground, eh? I am feeling this. This is not good for my back. Oh, the bike just wants to go. So we're going up a hill right now. Yeah, this is some rough ground, people. Some very, very rough surface. Yeah, you're not supposed to bring this bike here. It's not really designed for this sort of terrain, but hey, that's the point. We're pushing it beyond what it's designed for, just to make sure it can hold up for you. Oh wow, that was rough. That was rough, people. Oh, I see, this is the construction zone. Okay. We're in a construction zone. Hopefully we're allowed to be here. I believe the university is that way. I don't want to go back the same way because that was really, really rough. But I'm not sure if we can be on this road. Let's go this way then.